Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Whole Notes in our Learning to Count series for Margaret B. Pollard Middle School. I am your host, Miss Clemens. So, quick review, we have learned about quarter notes. A quarter note gets one beat. We have also learned about half notes. A half note gets two beats. Each of these notes has a rest that goes along with them. We have a quarter rest, which goes with the quarter note. The quarter rest gets, you guessed it, one beat. And the half rest, which goes with the half note and looks like a hat, also gets two beats, but of silence. So today, we are going to learn about our new note called the whole note. The whole note is an awesome note because it takes up the whole measure when we're playing in 4/4. And let's just draw our most boring measure in the world as a reminder to ourselves. There's 4 quarter notes. We give each of them a big number because they have sound. Then we add our half notes, remembering that we can fit 2 half notes in our measure because they each get 2 beats. We get a big 1, a little 2, a big 3, and a little 4. And if we were to get a lasso and wrestle these 2 half notes together and we put them into one big mega note, it would be a whole note. There's our whole note. So 1 beat each, 2 beat each, you add 2 plus 2, 4. We have 4 beats in our whole note. And we write it with a big 1 followed by a little 2, a little 3, and a little 4. Let's count through these real quick. Our quarter notes are counted as such. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our half notes are counted like this. 1, 3. And our whole note is, you guessed it, 1. Now we do that making sure that our foot is always tapping. We're always moving our finger along with the notes. And we always pulse our voice. Speaking of pulses. Quarter note gets 1 beat and 2 pulses. That means our foot moves 2 times with that beat. Our half note gets 2 beats and therefore 4 pulses because our foot goes down, up, down, up. In the whole note gets 4 beats and 8 pulses. Our foot moves 8 times in that beat. 8 whole times. 1, 8 times. Now, we've got to make sure we don't forget about our whole rest. The whole rest looks like a bowl. Half rest looks like a hat. Whole bowl, half hat. Whole rest gets 4 beats of rest. The last thing I need you to do is to look up on your chart 3. And on chart 3, you are going to write in the top right-hand corner, whole note equals 4 beats, equals 8 pulses, equals whole rest. And then you're going to draw your down and up arrows for your feet. And there are 8 of those. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yes! And that, my friends, is the whole note and a very ugly cat shirt. See you soon.